since mahilig kami kumain, is palitan namin yung rice namin. What's up guys? So this is Ron from Ronan. So kwentuhan lang tayo saglit. So as we all know, I was diagnosed with hypertension few years ago, and then ang uncle and aunties ko is they are diabetic. So na-feel ko na that is something na pwede kong mamana, hereditary. So ayoko naman dumating pa sa point na maging diabetic na ako tsaka lang magbabago yung lifestyle ko. So I talked to my wife na gusto kong palitan yung lifestyle namin para kahit pa paano, ayoko na dumating kasi na kailangan ko nang mag-inject or something, ganoon kasi mga nakikita ko. So, first na nag-start kami, since mahilig kami kumain, is palitan namin yung rice namin. We found an alternative rice, which is shirataki dried rice. So, kung makikita nyo or mapanood nyo lahat ng cooking vlogs ko, we are using shirataki dried rice. So, siguro around a year na kami. And take note, that is not a paid partnership or paid advertisement. Binili namin yun para sa own consumption namin. Biruin mo magkano ang 1 kilo nun. Sobrang mahal. Pero kasi yung benefit na nakikita ko with that one, since mahilig nga kami kumain, is sobrang laki din ng difference with white rice. And then, ayun, as time goes by, bumili kami ng mga shirataki dried rice sa brand 1, brand A, brand B, brand C. And then nakita namin yung difference kasi it's around 100 plus yung nakalagay na kcal nila, no? Yung calorie count nila. Browsing din. So, matagal kami, no? Halos a year kami na bumibili doon sa isang brand na yun, yung red tsaka white. Upon browsing this TikTok shop, nakita ko naman to. So, this is Magic Bowl. So, this is a shirataki dried rice and yung calorie niya is 27 calories per 40 grams. And this is 100% gluten-free, no? The same with shirataki dried rice. But yung difference ito, upon my calculation, kasi yung isa naming brand, it's around 100 plus calorie content. And then ito, yung 27 calorie per 40 gram, pumaparo lang siya around 60 plus. 60 plus yung na-compute ko with this one. So, sabi ko, parang mas mababa yung calorie dito. Kahit 1 cup or half cup ang kainin natin, mas mababa pa rin to. So, in the long term, mas, lalo na sa mga nagka-calorie deficit, so you all know this, mas mababa calories ito. So, mas mataas yung pag-burn natin dito or mas maganda for those people na nagka-calorie deficit or yung CD na tinatawag. And if you are like me before, so before kasi hindi ko sure paano lutuin to, anong lasa. So marami akong content with those. Sobrang dali lang niya lutuin. To be honest, meron siyang how to prepare here. If you have microwave, ayun ang pinakamabilis. So I'm just setting it up. So 1 cup, 1:1, 1 cup of rice, shirataki rice, 1 cup of water, and then salang mo na siya doon. Temperature is medium high, and then 7 to 8 minutes. So trust me, i-follow niyo yung ginagawa ko and sobrang perfect. Parang white rice talaga yung makukuha ninyo. And then lastly, serve nyo lang hot. I-testing mo, pwede mo ipakain sa iba na hindi mo sinasabi na shirataki yon, akalain nila white rice. So, ganun kaganda. So, I really do recommend this Magic Bowl shirataki rice kasi we are using it for a month na. So, marami na akong nagawang content din with this, kaya bumili na ako ng isa pang pack. So, from moving forward, ito nang gagamitin namin because this has a lower calorie count than the other brands. And take note, this is FDA approved.